Berkshire Hathaway has finalized a $6.8 billion all-cash acquisition of Taylor Morrison Home Corp. The deal, priced at $72.50 per share, represents a 24% premium over Taylor Morrison's closing price on Friday. This marks Greg Abel's first major acquisition as CEO following his January succession from Warren Buffett. Taylor Morrison shares surged up to 23% in premarket activity, reaching $71.75, just shy of the $72.50 per share purchase price. Meanwhile, Berkshire Class B stock, BRK.B, remained relatively flat. The transaction is expected to complete in the latter half of 2026. The acquisition price of $72.50 per share signals strong confidence in Taylor Morrison's future and its role in the U.S. housing market. In a statement, Greg Abel emphasized that the deal reinforces Berkshire's long-standing commitment to U.S. housing. This is the largest transaction for Berkshire since the $9.7 billion acquisition of Occidental Petroleum's petrochemical division in January. Berkshire's move into homebuilding through. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Taylor Morrison is notable given its vast cash reserves. As of the end of Q1 2026, Berkshire held $381.1 billion in cash and treasury securities, providing the financial flexibility to make large strategic moves like this. This acquisition is a clear use of capital that aligns with Abel's strategy to deploy funds into strategic sectors. The deal is all cash, which is unusual for Berkshire but reflects the company's current liquidity position. Taylor Morrison's stock surged in premarket trading, indicating that market participants are already pricing in the deal's success. Meanwhile, Berkshire's Class B stock showed minimal movement, suggesting investor focus is on the broader capital allocation strategy rather than immediate stock reactions. The homebuilder market has been volatile, with rising interest rates impacting demand. However, Berkshire's entry into this sector could signal a belief in long-term growth in U.S. housing. Abel's statement about reinforcing commitment to U.S. housing suggests he sees structural opportunities in the sector despite current challenges. This acquisition is not just a financial transaction, but a strategic move. It positions Berkshire in a sector that is integral to the U.S. economy and could benefit from demographic trends and housing demand. The deal's size and structure indicate a high level of confidence in Taylor Morrison's operations and future performance. Investors are now watching how this acquisition will affect Berkshire's overall portfolio. The move into homebuilding could. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Diversify Berkshire's exposure and provide a new source of growth. The market will be closely monitoring Taylor Morrison's integration and performance post-acquisition. The next signal to watch is the completion of the transaction in the second half of 2026. Investors should pay attention to how Berkshire integrates Taylor Morrison and whether the company announces further strategic moves in the housing sector. The performance of Taylor Morrison's stock post-completion will also be a key indicator of market sentiment.